Got an old pencil and a pinch of salt? Stick them in the soil and watch how your plants transform. The graphite in pencils is pure carbon. It feeds microbes that help roots grow stronger. The wooden body slowly breaks down, acting like a natural compost. A tiny pinch of salt provides essential minerals that plants use for growth. Plus, it helps keep away pests like slugs and snails. 1. Take a plain wooden pencil and push it 2 to 3 inches into the soil. 2. Now sprinkle just a tiny pinch of salt around the plant base. Not too much, just a light touch. 3. Together, they boost growth and protect your plants naturally. A simple pencil plus a pinch of salt can make your plants healthier, stronger, and even safer from pests. Try this eco-friendly trick today and see the difference. Hit like, share this secret with friends, and subscribe for more quick gardening hacks.